Hi, I'm Keith with DTE Energy, where right now we're building the electric grid of the future for our customers. To get there, we're investing in rebuilding older sections of the grid. The grid rebuild is underway in places like Detroit, Pontiac, Ann Arbor, Port Huron, the Thumb, and more. When we do a grid rebuild, we start with the substation, and often that means a completely new substation with all new equipment. Then we upgrade the equipment going from that substation along the circuit that powers your home and your neighbors. We are also taking power underground in areas where it makes sense. It's a significant investment, and it's also important to note that when we rebuild, we use new, more modern equipment made of material that's better able to withstand the forces of extreme weather. Where we have rebuilt portions of our grid, customers have seen a 90% increase in reliability. Our team at DTE is excited to be part of this transformational effort, and our commitment is to have 30% fewer outages and outage durations cut in half by the year 2029. To learn more about how we're building the grid of the future, visit empoweringmichigan.com, and thanks for watching.